Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for troubleshooting, you will have many things that you want to consider to troubleshoot errors. So for example, the easiest way or the thing that you would need to do is to detect first the error. So it really depends on the error, and you can simply go, for example, to your web browser and search for the error. So let's just go for uh, Microsoft freeze error, and then you will find like many stuff or many article of Microsoft itself, like either the support or from the community, and you will find that there are many uh, errors are troubleshoot or there is some solution to do. But there is some other thing that you can try before like do anything, and one of them is to repair your Microsoft product. So simply you can go to apps and feature of your computer, and of course, from there, you will need just to search for like Microsoft 365. And from there, you can find my launchers. And basically, I'm just going to click on modify. By clicking on modify, you will be able to find something or a choice that is called quick repair. And as you can see, it will fix most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. And basically, it will clear the cache, it will do like check the registries, it will check many files so it can be sure that Microsoft would work good. If this one doesn't work, you can go for the online repair and you will it will fix all your issues, and basically you will need just to click on repair and that must solve your problem. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.